Hey you guys, this is Killer. I'm back. I'm with this is my new channel, you guys. And today I will be doing my WWE action figure collection. So without further ado, let's get to it. First, I have Jake Pacific. Tajiri. Let's hit the door. Okay, we have Tajiri. Mattel Basic Needs. Some of these figures are for trade, like John Cena, Christian. She's for trade. I don't know her name. I forgot. But she's for trade. Bailey. Hulk Hogan. He's for trade. Another Hulk Hogan. The Luke one half a Luchador. Brodus Clay for trade. Tensai for trade. The other half of the Luchador. This Tensai is not for trade. And this Brodus Clay is not for trade. Now you guys further get to the second floor. Okay, now put it right here. You see some minutes or they white stuff right there. Just could just got them vacuum the floor. Okay. Shelton Benjamin. Gotta put his hands on. But not for trade. Sting, not for trade. I'm working on a custom. This is a Jack Pacific head of a Booker T's body. Not for trade. Stone Cold Steve Austin. Not for trade. CM Punk. I don't know what I'm gonna do with him. Might throw him in the garbage. But yeah, so not for trade too. 15 Man Heart. Not for trade. X. Your X. Not for trade. The Great Khali. Not for trade. Rusev. Not for trade. This is a custom Kurt Hawkins. He is for trade. No, I had to take his ponytail off because he don't have it anymore. But this is a Tyler Breeze body. But he's for trade. Jim Duggan. Not for trade. John Cena. Not for trade. Bam Bam Bigelow. Not for trade. The Jack Pacific Booker T, which I had the Mattel head on. Not for trade. I had their arms too. Yeah. This Mattel right here might be for trade. And his hair with Dylan, the rest of the WrestleMania 17, it was like that. Vince McMahon. That's who I use them for. My rosters. Roman Reigns. I'm working on a custom. Just me. Okay. This Rose, not for trade. Justin Gabriel.